Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about an important topic, particularly if you're new to affiliate marketing or if you've been struggling to get results. Today's topic is what all affiliate marketers need to know about sales funnels. But very quickly before we move on to that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you get paid a commission for recommending someone else's product. You never have to create your own product or deal with any customer service and support. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video, and also the subscribe button. When you hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. What all affiliate marketers need to know about sales funnels. First of all, just so we are all clear, what exactly is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is the sales process that a business follows. This will include getting new leads for the business, turning those leads into customers, and then trying to increase the amount the customer spends over time. Now, with a typical internet-based business, the sales funnel will usually consist of a sequence of web pages that make up the overall sales process. There are actually 5 core areas to an online sales funnel, but there are 2 main parts of a sales funnel which you as an affiliate marketer need to understand. Now, if you look at the diagram on the screen, you'll see I've outlined these 2 main parts of the sales funnel, the front end and the back end. Now, if you look, you'll see at the front end of the sales funnel, the object is to turn traffic into leads, turn those leads into customers, and then try and increase the customer spend at the point of sale and to ascend those customers towards the back end of the business. So please pay attention to what I'm about to say, because this is a major reason why so many aspiring affiliate marketers are failing today. You see, in the front end of a sales funnel, you don't really make any profit. Any money you do make is used up in actually acquiring new customers. Now, with traditional affiliate marketing, you only get paid a commission on the front end of the business, which is why so many people stay stuck and fail with traditional affiliate marketing, because without the back end sales, there really is very little, if any, profit to be made. Now, this brings me to the next very important point. When choosing an affiliate program, you need to look for a business that will pay you commissions throughout the entire sales funnel on both the front end and the back end. While the front end of a sales funnel plays an important role, it's important that you understand and benefit from the additional sales a business makes in the back end of the sales funnel. And now you'll see the part of the sales funnel which I've highlighted, which is the back end, where you get recurring revenue and high ticket sales. The back end is where a business makes its high ticket offers. Now, the idea being to generate repeat business from our existing customers. This all helps to increase our ROI, known as return on investment. You see, the cost of actually acquiring a new customer was covered in the front end. As an affiliate marketer, the bulk of your time and money will go on to generating customers to begin with. So any additional sales that happens in the back end adds to your return on investment. Now, the back end of the business is where the bulk of the profits are made. But of course, you will only benefit if you're actually getting paid for these higher ticket products and services, which is why it's so important to choose the right affiliate program. You want to partner with a business that's going to pay you commissions throughout the entire sales funnel on both the front end and the back end. So let's just run through what a complete sales funnel looks like. Okay, so stage one is what we call the lead magnet. Okay, now here we give away something for free, such as a free PDF report, in exchange for someone's email address. Now this will allow us to build an email list of potential clients. Step two is where we present a low cost entry product. Now the idea here being to turn our prospects into actual customers. And stage three is what we call value maximization. Here we're trying to increase what the customer spends at the point of sale. Now this is done using what we call upsells. Stage four is what we call recurring revenue. Now this is done in the back end of the business where we offer subscription services. Here you will get paid month after month as long as a customer continues to use the service. Recurring revenue is a very nice source of income for the affiliate marketer. And finally, stage five, high ticket sales. This is where the big money is made. Here it's possible to make commissions of over $1,000, and it doesn't take too many sales like this to make a very nice income. Now this is just a brief overview of how a complete sales funnel looks. Basically, when you combine all the stages of a complete sales funnel, you can have a very profitable business. This is unlike traditional affiliate marketing, where you only get compensated for the lower priced front-end products. This is why, as an affiliate marketer, it's important to partner with a business that pays you commissions throughout the entire sales funnel, in both the front end and the back end. Unfortunately, not all businesses will do this, and this is why so many aspiring affiliate marketers struggle today. So at least you now know what you need to look for when looking to promote products as an affiliate marketer. Try and find a business that will pay you commissions throughout the entire sales funnel and not just on the front end, as most businesses tend to do. Now, if you look in my description below this video, you'll find a link to a free online presentation where my partner and mentor, Dean Holland, will reveal how he's using a little known method of giving away something for free in order to generate $1,000 plus commissions. Simply click the link and register to get instant access to this free online web class. Now, hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if so, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below and click the link and watch Dean's free online presentation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.